to the channel
Welcome back, guys.
on today's vlog. What are we doing?
We are here at the shooting range. It's called FT3 Tactical. Look at Granny, bro.
Damn!
Look at Granny and Grandpa here. You guys can see it, but yeah. Grandma and Grandpa get down like again. So
We've been trying to go to the shooting range for the past
since
6
July.
months.
No, since June or July last year. So probably gonna miss every shot, but
Probably gonna miss every shot.
it's okay.
We're also he forgot to load the rifle. Have to load it.
We'll figure it
Alright,
out, though.
yeah. And then we waited for parking like freaking.
We're in like Orange County, so
Yeah. There's no shooting range. There is a shooting range in LA at Burbank, but this one's pretty modern.
Not that, but they don't allow
Oh, the rifles.
rifles, so they can only shoot like handguns. But this one you can shoot.
You guys are gonna meet my babies.
It's probably like rusty, like have more, you know.
Alright, see you. Alright. Anyways, I have 2 mags for my Glock, and I have 6 mags for the SIG, and then the rifle I have 2 mags only. Each mag carries 10. Because in California you can only carry 10 guys. Do you want your own mic?
If I suck,
You want your own mic?
I'm gonna warm up real quick.
You want your own mic or no?
Put it right here.
Yeah. Hey bro, why are you trying to show off?
Chill out, bro.
Hey guys, trying to show off. Hold up, let me see. Trying to show off.
This is my first warm up right here.
Oh yeah. You didn't miss any.
Alright,
Trying to show off, bro.
We got 30 bullets. 1, 2,
You shot the Glock?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, I don't know. It might be 2.
Yeah,
So
probably.
I missed probably like 2 or 3.
Alright. I hit arms yesterday, so let's just wait on arms that. Keep shooting two up.
I think you're trying to focus on one eye too much. You did better on long range than you did in.
Yeah? Oh, that's crazy. Okay, guys, you can see the difference between him. He shot. Forget. He shot here. I shot a little higher. It's just practice too.
This one.
Trying to hit whoever hits the X first.
Already hit it?
No, you didn't.
Oh, no, I
No, you
didn't.
didn't. The X first. We're betting $5. How about that?
Or we're betting whoever buys the food after.
Whoever hits the X first. All right. All right. Now he's gonna do the SIG. There's also the stand.
We're gonna get 30 and 30 on this one. 30 and 30.
Oh, okay.
Alright. I like the Glock better. Fuck 'em.
What did you get?
Fucking okay. This,
That's
the white.
You got the
It's
white
5.
and gray.
Okay, 5, 10, 15. That's 15 right there. The red inner blue side.
That's red outer. Yeah, you got 5. Red, see, red outer 5 wing.
Exactly.
Weird.
Okay. 5. Okay, this one was in gray is 20. Okay, 20.
Okay, my turn.
I got them done.
Huh? We're doing the glove, right? Look how hard it is. I know. The real big guns come out. This is the ammo. This is a 223 and a 55.
Yeah.
These are
so
the
2,
223s, yeah, I know. But there's also another one. These are
They're
thinner.
thinner than the 5.56.
Yeah, the other ones are thicker. This one's not as bad. Started fogging. So we're done with the shooting range.
Where we at, fat ass?
And we could have gone home to eat because you wanted Buffalo Wild Wings. We have chicken at the house.
We don't have chicken.
Yeah, we do.
What
Yeah,
else?
yes, we have the chicken.
The chicken.
The chicken we bought
The chicken.
yesterday. The rotisserie chicken. But he wants buffalo. We could have just gone home and eat healthy, but of course we want to
It's
go to
all
Buffalo.
protein. It's all protein.
Of course. Anyways,
We get wings. I get
Buffalo.
the boneless.
Shooting range was fun. Raw missed all his shots. Yeah, so. All right, see.
Fat ass dude, man. So fat.
You? Yeah, we know. Hi guys, we're on our way to Santa Barbara.
Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Welcome back. I was gonna do an intro later, but until we got to Santa Barbara, but we made a pit stop to charge the car.
On the way. We're first on the way to Ventura. We're near, because they have like a lot of thrift stores, so Angela likes to go shopping.
Only
Stop
thrifting, guys.
And we start charging the car real quick.
Yeah, and then I found this spot because I wanted coffee. What is it called? McKenna Coffee Company. I'm pronouncing it wrong, but it's really good. Their matcha.
Yeah, it's good though.
It's a little heavy, so I don't know if you guys will get what I mean by that. But yeah, it's good. We're on our way to Santa Barbara. We did a pit stop to charge the car, and Ace has anxiety like always. Yeah, hi, Ace.
I was just happy to be out. I thought we were gonna leave them, but
Okay, so now we're gonna be on our way to Santa Barbara. No, we're gonna go to Ventura first. Then we're gonna go to Santa Barbara. Okay, we'll see you guys.
finish here.
Okay. Ace, come say hi.
It's
It's so quiet. It's a weekday. In Santa Barbara. Santa Barbara,
I'm
Ventura.
not kidding you.
Hey, say hi to the camera. We're gonna go to Crossroads first, and then we're gonna walk down that way. And oh yeah, and we're just gonna see what we can find.
Ace hyperventilating like always.
We got 2 shirts, Ace. Now we're going to the other thrift store. No, one was for me.
Why you been shopping only for work now?
Because I only live at work, guys. That's why.
Guys, remember when she used to like this, right? So the shopping is only for work, and then when we go out, she doesn't get ready anymore. Only get ready for work.
I got ready right now?
She looks good right now, but she struggles to find something now.
I do.
When we go out.
I only
She's always
shop for
shopping-
work.
She's only shopping for work all the time.
Well, I'm trying to look good at work. So I got 2 shirts. Show them later. So good. All right, I just came out that store and I got a 9 West dress for $3. And then I got another black dress. Now we're at the thrift store. Okay, and you always have to check in your bag.
Tell me that too, Santa Barbara. It'll be like that, yeah.
Heading to Santa Barbara. We're gonna go to one thrift store and then we're gonna go to Fitness Crab House. The moment. Chinese, you hungry?
Oh, we should have given me a margarita.
Think.
Get a margarita.
How'd you know I was gonna get a margarita?
I'm not even gonna go.
How you know I was gonna get a margarita?
Where should I get it? Ready for food.
Alright, this is the first course.
What's the
Hot honey wings. Hot honey wings.
That's a towel.
Oh,
Did you eat it?
got a guava marg. And my last mock. Look at him acting like a well-behaved dog. He's acting like he's well-behaved and doesn't need a leash. Bro bought me all this stuff. You bought me all this stuff. And then he's over here struggling with Ace's leash.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, shit. Oh, I got it. Oh. You have gone through like 5 leashes already.
So he was struggling right now with the leash.
Came out there.
Ace. Now we're gonna go to H&M.
They do have a. They have a. They have a PacSun, but it's inside the mall.
Alright, let's go. Great coffee stop.
Ace Street.
Oh, Ace's Treats. Ace's Treats.
No, let's see. He used to like these guys. Alright, try this.
Show him my son. Ready?
Dude, it's so crusty.
Alright, tell him what to do.
Sit.
Sit.
Huh?
Wow.
Don't mind these crusty guys, no.
Alright, I got a salted pecan latte from this place called Cafe Cafe. Try it. It's pretty good. Decent for a place that has like not a big menu, but it's good. Their specialties.
I don't even like coffee. That's pretty good.
Puro contenerme a veces trato, pero si no quieres pasar.